Hey everybody, Cale with Melling Performance. Today we're going to go over the process of removing the old press-in studs on our Vortec cylinder head here and installing the MRDS-200HP screw-in studs. We're going to start by pulling the old studs out of the head. This is a tool I've had for years. I think maybe it was from Proform or something like that. It works really well. There are other varieties out on the market. So screw that down on our stud. Take our impact wrench. Just like that, we've got our stud out. Okay, so get these old things out of here. Put something worth a darn in them. Okay, there's both of our studs out. Now this tool here is a tap guide, and it works pretty well to locate the tap to tap these holes. This I bought, I don't know, Amazon or something like that, but it works pretty well. We take the pin, put it in one of the holes, line the other hole up. 7/16 14 tap on this. We'll get our tap started. There, we're down low enough. Take our tap back out. And there we can take our tool, spin it around, move on to our next hole. And now that we've got our holes tapped, we want to blow all the debris out. So we have the debris blown out of the holes. To get these down nice and tight, I'm going to put a couple jam nuts on the fine threaded end. A little Loctite on the threads for the big end, just to make sure they stay. Down in the hole, tighten them up. Yeah, that's all there is to putting screw-in studs in these old small block heads. Not much to it, and you know, you'll be able to run a lot more valve spring pressure on these after you do that. Really good upgrade for these older cast iron heads. I'm Cale from Melling, thanks for watching.